Hello students. Now our objective on today's our objective is to determine the refractive index of glass slab using traveling microscope. Okay students, now we have to perform this experiment to determine the refractive index of glass slab using a traveling microscope. So first we will study about its theory and first we will apply the theory. So the theory is our refractive index mu is equal to real thickness upon apparent thickness. रियल थिकनेस ऑफ ग्लास स्लैब कह सकते हैं, रियल थिकनेस ऑफ ग्लास स्लैब. apparent thickness of glass slab. We will apply this theory and we will use this theory in the to find the refractive index of glass slab. So I have a glass slab. You are seeing here. You are seeing this is a glass slab, and we have to find out the refractive index of this. Okay, students. So you know that about the refraction of the light. You know, when the ray of the light enters travel in the one medium and enters in the other medium, it bends and it change its position, its path, and it change also its speed. And then after we have to find the real thickness of slab upon apparent thickness of slab by using traveling microscope. So what we will use the apparatus. Our requirements is a glass slab of white sheet, 7 needles, paper paste, traveling microscope. So I have a traveling microscope. You are seeing that this is a traveling microscope, and you are seeing here this is a vertical scale, and you are seeing also that this is a vernier scale, and it has a zero line and zeros line, and we will calculate from the zeros line. We will calculate and observe the all observations from the zeros line from the vernier scale. It has an eyepiece lens, and we will see the all observations from the here, and I will show you. Okay, and this is a traveling microscope. We can move from upwards and downwards here to rotate, and this one, and it has also we can also change distance from distance upwards and downward direction, just like as this. Okay, and we will set and focus the points to upwards and downward direction, and we can set this through this screw. Okay, so we will use this apparatus to find the refractive index of the slab. So you can also we can also write this the formula mu is equal to C minus A according to your book, C minus A upon C minus B. So how will you find out the C and what will you find out the A and B, A, B and C? तो अगर हम इसको फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं तो हम लोग आसानी से इजीली हम यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुट अप करके फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन फाइंड आउट दिस. सो हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट दिस? हाउ? नाउ so first I made the readings of microscope focused on 1 2 3. एक हम डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ करते हैं, उसके बाद फिर लिखते हैं यहाँ पर रीडिंग्स ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोप. How will we take the readings? The readings of microscope focused on and then after real depth, and we have to make this focused on. Cross mark point O without slash, point O without slash, point O with slash, B and C. A, B and C. Point O. And this is 1, 2, 3. Point O without slash. Point O without slab, and point O with slab, आपके बुक में भी है O with slab, and traveling and lycopodium powder. This is A, this is B, and lycopodium powder. This is C. And next, real depth. C minus A. Apparent depth. C minus B. C को A से और C को B से. And next, mu is equal to C minus A upon C minus B. We have to find out. But how will you find out the A, B and C? We will see the points. Okay. Now I mark the zero line in the front of the 4.0, and that is A, and we can note down in your point O विदाउट स्लैब O. पहले विदाउट स्लैब हम स्लैब पे हमें रखेंगे, पहले हम लोग इस पर फोकस करेंगे 4. ओके, नाउ वी एडजस्ट 1 पॉइंट एंड आई एम सीइंग. विकास जी जरा से इसको दिखाइए. विकास जी इसको ऐसे पकड़ लीजिए, टच मत करिए, स्क्रीन टच मत करिए. नाउ आई एम सीइंग द फोकस. हाँ, मेरा चेहरा दिखाइए. आई एम सीइंग द फोकस एंड one point is I put a point on it and I am seeing very clearly. This point is this is a point and I am seeing very clearly with the microscope. I am trying to show the point and you are seeing also the point through microscope very clearly. This point is given here. Okay, और हम लोग इसी फोकस से देखेंगे इसी पॉइंट को. So now this is a point A, as this is a point A, and the point A is 4 centimeter, and we can put here 4 centimeter. And now with slab, I am putting the glass slab. This is a glass slab. I am putting on it on a. But now we are not seeing clearly that point on it, and now dim दिख रहा है. Now I focused the point, so यहाँ से इसको हम लोग थोड़ा इसको रोटेट करा करके थोड़ा इसको अपवर्ड्स लेके जाएंगे, थोड़ा अपवर्ड लेके जाएंगे और सेट करेंगे. इसको मैं अपवर्ड्स लेके चल रहा हूँ. Yes, that is 4.6. Here 0 is okay. This is the value is 4.6. I am seeing that 0, that is 4.6, and you can note here because इसकी विजिबिलिटी बहुत क्लियर नहीं है. हाँ, अब क्लियर हो रही है. ओके, सो आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट is 4. You are seeing that very clearly 4.6, and you can note down here 4.6. and we can now note down 4. This is 4 without slab, and with slab point on the with slab O is equal to 4.6. Okay, and lycopodium powder C. Now I am putting the lycopodium powder, some piece of the lycopodium powder. तो स्प्रेड करेंगे. एक मिनट, इसको दिखते हैं. हाँ, यही दिखता है. हाँ. कैमरा चल रहा है. अच्छा, हाँ. So now ये स्प्रेड कर दिए. दिस इज lycopodium powder. We can observe the upper surface through lycopodium powder, and now I am observing very clear because in present time we cannot observe clearly. So now अब हम इसको थोड़ा ऊपर ले चलेंगे और फिर इसको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. इस लाइकोपोडियम पाउडर को अगेन हम इसी माइक्रोस्कोप से ट्रेवल देखेंगे. आई थिंक शो करने का प्रयास कर रहा हूँ. हम इसके थ्रू शायद आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स दिख रहे होंगे, एकदम फोकस्ड हैं. तो अब आप देखते हैं कि पॉइंट सी कितना आया, ये ऑब्जर्वेशंस कितना आया. लेट अस सी. पॉइंट कितना आया इसको देखते हैं एग्जैक्टली. दैट इज 5.9. तो इसको हम भी नोट कर लेंगे. 5.9 हियर. We can note it here 5.9, and now we can note it also here. Lycopodium powder C is 5.9. Okay, now next point is real diff C minus A. The C is equal to 5.9, A is equal to 4, that is 1.9. That is 1.9. And C minus B. C minus B is equal to 5.9 or C minus B 4.6. So 5.9 minus 4.6. 5.9 minus 4.6. 1.3. 1.3. Okay. So now we will calculate mu is equal to C minus A upon C minus B. So that is 1.9 upon 1.3 means 19 upon 13. 19 upon 13. Now we can calculate 19 divided by 13. तो 13 बन जाए 13 6 डेसिमल. तो 10 में से 4 गया 8, 10 में से 2 गया 8, 80, 1.46. So this is near about 1.46 coming. 1.46. Okay. So now this is the refractive index. 1.46 is the refractive index of slab. ये इसका जो स्लैब का refractive index आया 1.46, approximately 1.5 के आसपास आना चाहिए. और वो is it clear? So you can note down, this is very clear observations, clear readings, and you can note down here. Now again we can calculate. Okay, so if we put 5 in the place of, अब हम 4 के प्लेस पर हम लोग 5 ले लेंगे. ओके, तो 5 यहाँ पर भी सेट करेंगे. इस जगह पर भी हम लोग 5 को सेट करेंगे. और 5 को सेट करके अगेन हम फोकस करेंगे. और आफ्टर फोकस द वैल्यूज कमिंग 5.6. Again value is coming 5.6, and that is 6.9. See, the value of the 6 is 6.9. Okay, and next C minus A is equal to 1.9. C minus B is equal to 1.3, and again mu is equal to coming 1.46. 1.46 coming. Okay, and we will take again reading 6. अब हम 6 ले लेंगे, तो that is ये 6.6. Sorry, 6.6. This is 7.9, and next 1.9, and C minus A 1.9 again coming, and C minus B 1.3 is coming. Next, so again mu is equal to C minus A upon C minus B, that is 1.46. 1.46 coming now. Okay, now we will find out the mean position. Mean position, sum of all observation upon total number of observation, and mu is equal to 1.46 plus 1.46 plus 1.46 divided by 3. That is 1.46. This is the final value. This is the final value of the reference index. तो 1.46 ये आपका वैल्यू आ गई. Okay, and now we will note down the main position is in your book also. The main position is 1.46, and the refractive index of the glass slab 1.46, and result is, this is the result. The refractive index of the glass slab 1.46. Precautions to find the least count of turning microscope accurately. Okay, and record the all readings very carefully, and the layer of the lycopodium powder should be very fine होना चाहिए, और microscope tube should be vertical. ओके, तो ये सारी चीज़ें प्रिकॉशंस हैं। और स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स दे हैव already came in the lab and they will have already done this experiment, and this is according to our syllabus, this is the last experiment of your syllabus. Or now and observations में Vernier constant of trolley microscope is 0.001 centimeter. Okay, 0.01 centimeter. But we have to find out in the round figure. So this is the final readings. Okay, students, and in the next period we will discuss about the wire-wise and learn the wire-wise very carefully, because wire-wise is also very important part of the experiments. So you will have to learn the wire-wise. In the next week we will discuss about the wire-wise, and you will perform the one activity also, and you have to come in the lab to perform the activity for the glass lab. This is a very important activity to complete, and you have to perform the angle of minimum deviation of the glass prism. This is the most important, so it is must to come in the lab. Okay, students, so now our experiment is completed.